Hello everyone. Today is 19th of April and it's currently 8:52 p.m. So let's discuss what happened yesterday. So the very first thing is that as we discussed in yesterday's video, that is the final verdict was sell on rise, and you could very well see that as market rose up, so there was a sell. Okay, and not only that, at the last stage also, like there was a very nice sell off, and moreover if you see that the 3 p.m. move, so that also like was a fake move which came up, which was like the two big green candles, and then the half of it was wiped out. Okay, so the thing was that sell on rise, so even for bank nifty also the same thing worked out. Okay, so there was weakness here in nifty as well as bank nifty in both. And not only that, I posted my analysis on Twitter in the morning. If you can see the time here, so I clearly said that there was weakness in the market and one should be careful because spikes can come, but you have to sell those spikes. Okay, so as you can see 10:31 in the morning itself, I said that there is weakness. Just read this line here. So if you want such updates, you can follow me on Twitter, and you can also follow me on YouTube. Now let's come to the Telegram channel for the members. So here I clearly said that in the very first 30 minutes, like market was very unstable, like it was hitting both the sides. So but I still said to stick to sell on rise, and then suddenly at around 9:45, so posted at 9:46. So at 9:45 I noted that some algo buyers were present, so algo put buyers were present, and yes, so then suddenly market started falling, as you can see from here. So let's go to the 9:46 candle. So this is a 5-minute chart, sorry. So this is, yeah, so this is the 9:55, sorry, this is the one, sorry, 9:40, yeah, so here, so 9:45, so this is the candle from 9:45 to 9:50. So at 9:46 I spotted, at 9:45 I spotted, and typing took some time, and that's it. Now even if you took some position here, so there was a nice fall after that, as you can see in nifty, and not only, sorry, that was in bank nifty, and also if you see in nifty here 9:40, so here 9:45. Okay, so after that there was a fall, but yeah, you can say that it was not much, but yes, the fall was delayed. Okay, so but still we got as you can see here, we got our move, and we did exit at time like at 10:06. I clearly said that we should like now trail our profits. Okay, so here as you can see at 10:05, this was the candle, the last down move at that point of time, and then I told that when this rise was coming, we should trail our profit, because we should book our profits, because this is a market where like any side move is coming and it could just wipe out your profits. Okay, so yes, the profit was less, but we can't do anything about it. Okay, so we all can do is just spot the algo buyers, option buyers, and the big option buyers, and take trades with them. Okay, so but yes, it went up, but finally again there was a fall. That was just because the buying was done in the morning. Okay, but we as a retail trader, we don't have any control over the market. So even if it stayed above, and the big guys could have just brought the market down even tomorrow and could go into profit. But the main thing is that you and me, we do not have any control over the market, so we can't stay along with this up move, and stick with them, and that's the thing. And moreover, they are algo buyers. Okay, so what happens is that in the past also we have seen that the algo buyers, they take about 10 to 15% of profit, and then they leave their position. So that's the thing, that is we also had to do the same. Okay, but yes, though there was some uprise, but again I clearly said that stick to sell on rise. If you can see the messages here, so yes, and when at 11:25 bank nifty came at around 42, so 42k would be giving support, like 17,600 is giving for nifty, and these are the major levels now. But what is actually happening, I'll just discuss. Okay, so that's the thing. So even I posted on Twitter what was actually happening, if you have noticed or not. That is this one. Okay, so 17,000 PE and 17,700 PE and 17,600 CE. So what happens is that tomorrow, if market ends even like between 17,600 to 17,700, both side inclusive. So what happens is that I mean this the sum of the premiums at these 2 points would be 100. Okay, but the thing is that today if you add here add up the premium, so it's 80 plus 57. Okay, so sorry, 80 plus, I think the other one was 77. Yes, 80 plus 77, which is summing up to 157. So you see that if you just do writing on both the sides and just wait and watch, and if Nifty ends you don't have to worry about where Nifty is going, up or down, but it should be, all you have to worry about, it's between 17,700 and to 17,600. Okay, and if things goes well tomorrow, Nifty ends at any one of these levels, so you get 57 points just by, without taking any much headache, I would say. But yes, still risk is there, headache is there. But again, let's talk about risk. Like you see that, suppose if market is going down, like if market is moving down here, like it did today, so 17,600, now finally you saw that it it gave some support. Okay, so what happens is that either they would be able to provide support, or you would notice that one of the side is unwinding. Okay, so then you will get to know that market is going to slip on either of the side. So that's the thing, like when market starts slipping, they would know they are the big ones, they have control, much more control than we have, and they would know if market starts slipping on either of these sides, so they would close their one of the legs, which would be going into loss, and they would eat the whole premium on the other side and finally still be in profit. Okay, so yes, that's a very that was a very nice opportunity today we got there. So you could have taken that. And now let's come to our indicators. So the indicators, if you can see here, Nifty gave some negative signal at the beginning, and then scores started to stabilize, but again went into the negative zone, and then again went into heavily negative when you see the market started falling. Like you can very well see here, things started going into negative direction. So 1331. Okay, so at around here, that is if you can see, like 1310, so 1310, 1315, so this is where things started going in the negative direction. Like the scores where you see at 60, so from there it started all decreasing. Okay, and finally heavily went into the negative zone. And talking about Bank Nifty also, if you see here, that is Bank Nifty also gave score went heavily negative, but again recovered, and then again finally it went negative, and yeah, the scores worked fine today. And now let's talk about, I think we have discussed everything here. So yeah, FIIs have only sold for 13.7 crores and DIs also have sold, but it's not a very huge amount. Yeah, but in the futures they have sold for 292 crores, and yeah, stock futures they have sold for 867 crores. Okay, so now let's go to the end of the data, and the advance to decline. So advances are declining, and declines are advancing. So declines are increasing. So that's the thing. So be cautious. So it's a sell on rise market, and also moreover, as you see, like until unless like Nifty goes above 200 EMA, there will be weakness, and we should stick to our sell on rise opportunity. Okay, so that's the thing. And the same for Bank Nifty as well. It's below 200 EMA, so, and you should be cautious here. And yeah, now let's come to our EOD data. So yesterday we final verdict was correct, and now let's see today. So today talking about futures long, no long positions have been initiated, but still the long positions haven't been closed yet. Talking about the future short positions, some futures short positions have been built up. So some positions are building up. So which is indicating that we can have a little bit bearishness. And now let's come to the option index. Option index, if you see here, uh, both the sides writing almost they are at par with each other. So call writing has been done, put writing has also been done, but call writing is more in amount. So that's what I told, like call writing at 17,600 as well as 17,700 PE, 17,600 C. So heavily they have done these call writings, and also like at the above levels they have done call writing, and below levels they have also done put writing. Okay, so that said, and also they have covered their put writing with by buying puts, and also they have covered their futures short positions as well as the new call writing positions with their call buying. And if you even see the prop dex data, prop dex are heavily, they have heavily shorted, they are heavily on the call writing position. So but also their put writing positions, it's not just negligible, so that's also a good quantity. So we might see both side moves, so stay cautious and trade safely. Like if you are far out of the money, so then it's fine, but if you are in the money, or if you are near at the ATM, so be cautious. Anytime things can blow you out, so use your once you're in profit, then trail your profits. Okay, don't wait because today's expiry, my premium is going to zero, I'll wait till zero. So don't try to do that. Things can blow you out because you're at near ATM or ATM, okay, or in the money. So that's it. Until you are very sure what's going to happen, so book your profits. Okay, don't wait for the premiums to go to zero. And for the option buyers, it would be very risky because any side the move can come and blow you out. So and also tomorrow we have expiry, so we will see where on which side the again if the algo buyers gets active tomorrow, we will try to catch them, and that's the thing. And yeah, so that's all for today. So the final verdict again would be stick to sell on rise, or just if you're a call writer, just go a little bit far out of the money and just do call writing if you want a very safe player. If you want to take risk, then yeah, wait for some rise and just sell it. Okay, so yeah, it's not any this is not a reco or something, so this is just for learning purpose. And yeah, thanks for watching, and if this analysis is helping you, don't forget to put a like and keep watching and keep learning and trade safely. See you in the next one.